All right, so we're back in the basement. Today, we're looking at furring strips, strapping basically. Let's turn around here for a second, start off with this. This is not a damp basement, this is a wet basement. They're literally, made a trough out of concrete here to carry water to sump. It's wet. Despite that, somebody, it looks like, thought, hey, maybe I'll finish the basement. So they kind of furred out the walls there, some strapping there. Same thing with the ceiling. I mean, how much do you really need going across there and throughout the whole place? And you can see here they tried to do some waterproofing and paint over that. And of course, this is all just coming right off because it is so moist. And here you can see where they put the heat in the basement. There's literally water standing right here below it. If it's an unfinished basement, you never put heat in it in this area of the country. And so they obviously try to finish it, but it's just way too wet. Maybe in a year or two, I'll work on, making this basement a little drier, but I mean, thinking that it's gonna ever be finished and that this is actually gonna be the strapping that you use to finish it, ain't gonna happen. I've gotta fix issues with sagging floor joists, support the carrying beam better. All this stuff does is just get in my way. So just like the electrical, we are gonna clean house and get rid of this junk. All right, I've got most of it down. We got a little bit left to go. You can see here, it's a lot more open. Nothing blocking your view of getting up into there doing work. This is the quite large pile of just strapping and some 2x4s that were put in here by the last guy. I don't know exactly what they were thinking. I don't think this is really a good candidate for a finished basement, but they tried. So now it's gone and the next guy won't have to deal with it.